One of the most popular questions we get here at Don's Appliances is why isn't my new dryer drying all my clothes? I have a couple articles like socks that are mixed in with sweatshirts. My socks are drying, but my sweatshirts aren't. Or you're doing a load of bedding. My pillowcase is dry, but the rest of my sheets aren't drying. And there's usually a really simple answer for that. If you have a dryer with a built-in sensor, the reason is the fabrics are not lightweight. And what that means is that you have something that's far lighter and something that absorbs a lot more moisture and retains moisture. And that lighter weight fabric is going to dry a lot faster. Inside our dryer, if you have a dryer with a sensor, the sensor typically is going to be somewhere in the front or in the very back of the dryer. And once that fabric that's tumbling inside the dryer hits that sensor and it senses that that fabric is dry, it's going to cut off heat. And if you aren't putting lightweight fabrics inside your dryer, you're not going to get good results. So if you're not going to separate your clothes by weight, just use a time dry on the dryer, because that'll take out that sensor option. If you're not going to put lightweight fabrics inside your dryer, don't use the sensor option. Just use the time dry option. If you have any questions about the current model dryer you have, go to your use and care guide of your manufacturer's website or your paper copy that you may have gotten with your dryer, or go to donsappliances.com and we'll be happy to answer any questions you may have.